You bring home a cute little succulent, place it near a window, water it once in a while, and somehow it still struggles. Sound familiar? The truth is these thick-leaved plants aren't difficult, they're just misunderstood. Once you care for them the way nature designed them to grow, everything becomes easier. Succulent varieties evolved in bright open landscapes, which means light is everything. When they don't get enough, they stretch toward the window and lose their compact shape. A bright spot with sturdy sunlight keeps growth tight and colors vibrant. Because these plants store water inside their leaves, their roots cannot sit in wet soil. A gritty, fast-draining mix allows water to pass through quickly and keeps air around the roots. Heavy soil is often the real reason they fail indoors. Container choice matters more than people think. Pots with proper drainage holes prevent excess water from collecting at the bottom. Breathable materials like terracotta also help moisture evaporate naturally. Watering is where most people go wrong. Instead of watering on a schedule, check the soil. If it's completely dry, water deeply. If it's still damp, wait. During winter, they need far less because growth slows down. Air circulation and moderate humidity also play a role. While most types tolerate dry air, extremely stagnant conditions can cause problems. A little airflow and balanced moisture in the room go a long way. Feeding isn't a major priority. These slow growers don't demand constant fertilizer. A light boost at the beginning of the growing season is more than enough to support healthy development. Temperature stability keeps them comfortable. Normal indoor temperatures are usually perfect. Just avoid frost, prolonged heavy rain, or sudden drastic changes if you move them outdoors. If one side starts looking fuller, that simply means it's leaning toward the light. Turning the pot slightly every few days helps maintain a balanced, symmetrical shape. Keep an eye on the leaves. Tiny pests can appear when a plant is stressed. Early detection makes treatment simple and prevents bigger issues. And when roots start crowding the container or growth slows noticeably, it's time for fresh soil. Repotting gives the roots space to breathe and resets the plant's energy. Caring for these resilient plants isn't about doing more, it's about doing less, but correctly. Give them light, drainage, and patience, and they'll reward you with strong sculptural growth. If this made things clearer, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical plant care tips that actually work.